Hey, how are you? This is Michael Internet Pro. I'd like to thank you so much for joining up with the Lead Lightning system. Outstanding, outstanding. Now, I'm going to basically put this video on YouTube as well, but I wanted to just formally, introduce myself and welcome you to this new community that you just got involved in. My name is Michael Internet Pro. I am a 8-year marketer and been online for a long time, and I want to help you get started in this business. Okay, now as you can see, I see your actual, when you came in, it shows me like who you are, your name, your email, your phone number. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna send you this particular video that you're watching right now. You've already received it, but I'm gonna give you this video so you can send it to other people. Okay, it can be a tool that you can use to send off to other people when they come underneath you. Okay, so to help them get started, and you won't have to go through any of the labor or whatever to have to create a video and that type of thing, or have something to give to someone else. And then this can just be a tool for that. Now, one of the most important things, let's jump over to my admin. Now, yours will look a little bit different. Yours is going to say Lead Lightning and everything, and so it's kind of like a downgraded version. And if you upgrade, this is what you'll receive, is the full Power Lead system. This is what I recommend, because you'll have access to all of these training modules and all these different parts of this particular funnel system. Now, I want to let you know, guys, this is a powerful, powerful system. Lead Lightning is powerful as well, but this is going to really help you when you are ready to take off to the next level. Now, what you're going to see is you're going to, in the front of Lead Lightning, you have your 3 simple steps. This is the most important step you have right here, which is join our Facebook group, okay? This is one of the things I want to make sure. So as I'm sending you this video, I want to make sure you come over here and join up, okay? It has over 32,000 members. So 32,000 people have decided to make the same decision. And it's a powerful, powerful, powerful business, okay? It's a good community. These people are asking questions. They want to know how to get started. Like this one says, love the PLS system, which is the Power Lead system. Learning a lot from it, okay? Good, awesome, great. And that's one of the things I say, guys. Don't skip over the learning curve. This is a great time for you to start learning about how to make this work. Getting your domain set up. Starting to get your, that's if you're upgraded. I believe you get your domain set up and you start, tracking your links, tracking your clicks, and driving traffic to your squeeze pages that you're creating. You'll be able to start setting up all of your squeeze pages same way I do. Same system I've been using now, and has made me a ton of money. Okay. As a matter of fact, I just got paid today, 167 monies I make every single day, and it's all attributed to what? Power Lead system is what I use, okay? I promote this system, but I'm not actually involved in this system. I use the Power Lead system to promote everything that I do, okay? And so that's why I believe in the Power Lead system, because I use it to promote everything I do. I like it. Squeeze pages, capture pages are really good. Again, the back system, I use so much of this stuff. Like, for example, I do paid traffic, okay? Every now and then I like to do paid traffic. I've spent over between $15,000 to $20,000 worth of paid traffic within the last 4 years of being online, okay? And I get a lot of free traffic. I will admit I get a lot of free traffic, but I like to do paid traffic, okay? And what that averages out to probably a couple $100 a month. And what I do is I take these text links back here. They give me these text links. I'll take these things, and I don't have to write any copy or anything like that. And I'll be able to just take this and put this inside. My banners the same way, okay? You come here, come down to banners. Boom, I got all my banners made for me. I got the code. All I need is just come in here, grab this code, and put it in there. Someone needs leads, boom, we're rocking and rolling. So this is what you can use without having to worry about, how to set these things up. Same things for articles. It shows you where to submit all your articles to, okay? And I always suggest outsourcing articles unless you're a good writer. Outsource them for about $3. You can do that over at Elance, which is now Upwork, or Freelancer. And you can just submit them, and you can have, this is what I suggest you do. Hire someone. It's really simple. Have them create an account for you with an email that you give them and a password and everything. And you have them actually make an account on all these different places, okay? Then you take one article, have one article written, and you submit it to every last one of these places. And you do that every single week, and do that for years. And guess what? All of these places allow you to leave a link at the bottom of the article, and that's how you get traffic. That's how you start running your business, but you have to invest in your business. This is just like any brick and mortar business, franchise, or whatever. You're going to need startup capital, cash. You're going to have to invest. That's why I say, when you start to feel more comfortable, make sure you upgrade. Come up to the gold level. The gold level is where you can become an affiliate like me. The reason why I got this $6 sale today when you joined was because I'm an affiliate. Okay, so I'm not just telling you this, oh, so I can get your money. No, no, no. I make money from a lot of different things. I'm letting you know this so you can get money for yourself. When I help you make money, I make more money. It's in my best interest to put money in your pocket. Okay, so as you upgrade, you'll be in a position now to send this video off to someone else, and they'll hear the same thing, you know, and then they'll upgrade because they want to make money too. Because it actually has a great affiliate program. So when you come over here, boom, here's your affiliate program. Here's the GOAT level. This is the level you want to be on. Okay, make sure you get on this level. This is your affiliate level. Okay, this will allow you to receive $20 per month payments when someone upgrades to this level, and you get 100 at the diamond, and you get I believe it's $400 at the platinum, but you get a ton of other sales in between. Gold level, silver level. You get 50% levels. It's a ton of different levels too in there. And if you watch the compensation plan, you can get, you know, up to speed on all that. Okay, it's a ton of money coming in. Okay, but what you want to do is you want to be able to have this whole area able at your disposal. There's secret squeeze pages in here that is not offered to anyone else, only to the VIP club member. So I got secret squeeze pages I can use it. No one else in the Power League system can use unless they're a platinum level. Okay, I got all these trainings, how to do Facebook ads, everything. Okay, now I use all this type of stuff. This is how I'm able to shift from one thing to the next when it comes to traffic, is because I sit and study all of this market. You know, I'm one of those type of people that I like to just continue to keep up to date on all types of training, and that's just, you know, honing in on your craft. They say scientists, you know, after they become scientists, they still have to study all the documents and medical brochures and medical updates and stuff that come out all the time on equipment and different procedures and technology and advancements in the field. And I feel the same way. You know, we have to continue to study all the advancements and different things that are happening in our career and in this field. So, you know, the more you do that, the more options you'll have to be able to go left, right, up or down, or choose how you want to market, choose how you want to make money, and have much more freedom. So, again, guys, make sure you join the Facebook group, because this is where you can, this is your coaching system here. This is your coaching system. Okay, everyone is answering people. They get to ask their questions. You can see people let's just go through it. You can see people are answering them. They're giving them all the coaching that they need. Where can I find a video that shows how to link Gmail account to PLS? That should be given to you when you sign up. See, you have it all here. It's, you know, you can ask question after question. A lot of times the people will say, you know, PM me, give me a private message, let me help you out, and that type of thing. There's people all over, you know, there's 32,000 people inside the system, and they're all answering and asking questions at any one time. So you have 100% coaching right here if you get stuck, okay? Also, you have video tutorials and everything. And also, email me back. Ask me a question. Where do I get traffic? Where do I do this? I'll help you out the best I can by giving you videos that I make on these type of things. How I do Google, Facebook traffic. How I get cheap traffic sources. All this kind of stuff. Making videos on YouTube. Article writing. Blog writing. All these type of things. But, like I say, you got to put in a little bit of that work. And, you know, if you don't want to put in work, you got to put in money. It's either one of the two. Work or money, okay? But start working it. Start building your foundation. Start building your empire. Make sure you upgrade too, so you can start making money off the PLS, because you can make money off of whatever you like, but you can have the PLS. The nice thing about it is a combo. You can actually run both of them together. You know, you can run your business and the PLS together, so you can get paid 2 times over. So what a lot of these people are doing, and that's why they pick the PLS over things like, was it ClickFunnels and all the other. They have affiliate programs with those, you know. But the only thing with Lead Pages and ClickFunnels and all those is it's not all in one place. It's not as simplified, okay? It doesn't have the webinars, the training, all of the tools that will help you, you know. One of the great things about Power Lead System is it has the webinars. It has weekly webinars that I'm showing everyone how to get started. So they have the compensation plan broken down, so there's not a lot of questions. And that is where the power of the Power Lead System is at. So make sure you upgrade. Click on the upgrade button. You'll find it here over to the right. Get inside the full Power Lead System, and definitely get inside the Facebook group and get started. Posting links on Facebook. You can see I'm doing that right now as I speak. 4 posted out right now. I'm using the Facebook groups poster. Okay, I advertise that on my site. I'll leave a link below. Grab that. The training for this is amazing. It's step-by-step. Teach me like a 2-year-old type training, so you'll be able to learn it really, really easy. I had no clue when I first started how to do this. Now you see my settings. You know, you can get started on this, learn all the tabs. It's real simple. And this posts while I sleep. So I make leads in my sleep. You know, that's how it's done. So, again, guys, thanks for watching Mike on Internet Pro. Get started. Join up with Lead Lightning, or join up with the 7-day trial. Right here, the free 7-day trial. get started, get inside the Facebook group, ask questions, you know, get in the mix, get your hands dirty, and start making money online. It's Michael Internet Pro. Click the link below. I'm out.